Changes are a coming. That's all I'm trying to say. That's all I'm trying to say. Changes are a coming. That's all I'm trying to Hey guys, welcome back. Subbies, what's going on? Newbies, what's crack-a-lacking? And just in case you don't know whether you qualify as a newbie or not, honey, don't worry, I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, it may even be for the third or fourth or fifth. Honey, we don't count those numbers around here. We really don't. I just want all of my subbies and I want all of my newbies to gather around and come on in. Okay, so for today we got a quickie. Honey, this is just I just had to come on in here and just tell y'all how I'm feeling inside. You know what I mean? Because you know we like to share around here. So that's what I'm about to do, because sharing is caring. Over the past week or so, I've been kind of antsy. I've been kind of antsy, and I've been kind of, I'm just going to cut right to the chase. I think I'm bored, and that can be a very dangerous place to be. But yeah, I have been looking at my hair. I don't know exactly what it is, but I'm still not satisfied. I'm just not. I like my hair overall, but I've been thinking about doing a little something more with the color. Now just hold on to your britches. Just hold on and let me just break it down. Again, you guys know, those who are initiated, those who have been around the color or the hair color block with me a time or two, you guys know that I have been using the Clairol Semi Beautiful and I absolutely love it. You guys know that we started off with the one color, I don't even remember what it was called, and it was just a little too flat. Then we went on to the Toasted Hazelnut, okay? And that I'm really liking. That's what I have in my hair right now. And now I think I'm going to take it up a notch. Just like Goldilocks and the Three Bears, we're going to try another hair color. We're going to try a third. But it's something that I've already bought. So what I think I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to do the honey brown. I think I'm going to try that because if you guys remember, I told you that years ago, this is the hair color that I initially tried and I liked in my hair. The honey brown is a warm, well, it's just like it sounds. It's a warm brown. And I hesitated the last time because I wanted to try the Toasted Hazelnut. And that was specifically formulated for grays. Y'all know that I'm getting my little storm highlights right in certain parts of my hair. So I wanted to try that. Not that I'm hating on my grays, but just wanted to try something new and something to brighten up my hair. So with that being said, I think I'm going to change a little bit, and I think I'm going to try the honey brown. Again, this is an oldie but goodie for me. I did like the shade when I tried it before. And even though this is not part of the gray solution or the line that is formulated for gray hair, I feel pretty good still about it. Again, my focus isn't to totally get rid of the grays, but in me doing so, I did enjoy them being lighter, meaning with the Toasted Hazelnut, my grays turned kind of blondish, which I like a honey blonde. That is totally up my alley, and that is definitely what I was looking for when I was coloring my hair. Not necessarily to darken the grays, but maybe to highlight them, but just in a different color. So with that being said, I think I'm gonna try the honey brown. And you guys already know, you don't even have to ask. When I do that, of course, we're gonna do a whole reveal and see how that works out. But for those who are not familiar, this is a semi-permanent, this whole collection. So it's not going to be anything that is going to totally change my hair as far as a dye, where you lift and it's going to be this drastic change. It's more of a semi-subtle change, if you will. And that's what semi-permanents do. They help to change the tone of your hair, the color of your hair, without any harsh lifting or bleaching involved. So that's what I'm thinking of doing. But wait, there's more. Not only that, now just hold on. I told y'all to hold on, right? Okay. Not only that, but I think I'm going to try the red as well. I know. Now, I don't need nobody to replay what I said months ago when I said, ooh, I want to take the red out of my hair. And I just want to make it flatter. You know, just make it a little different. I know we've been over that already. That's why I went to the toasted hazelnut and put a little bit of the red back in. And I don't know if you guys can tell up against my black shirt, but the red it's already back in. Anyway, so with that being said, I think we're going to add a little bit more red to it. And again, this is what I did years ago. I did the honey brown. And then at one point, I think I told you I had a little disaster, you know what I mean? When I dyed my hair red. Now, I actually dyed it red, and then I didn't like the shade of the red, so I bought the red, and the exact name of the red is escaping me right now, of course. But I did that to tone it, you know what I mean? So I bought the semi-permanent in a red shade so I could tone my hair. And it sort of evened it out. I didn't look so much like a, Ronald McDonald at that point. But then I went back to the honey brown. So the mixture of the brown and the red, it just made my hair, it was just a very pretty shade. Fast forward to, more recently, I've been dipping my hair toe in different, colors and this and that. So I think I'm going to play around just a little bit more. And the good thing is that because it's not harsh, you can sort of play around with the colors and you can mix and match. So that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do, because I have this right now, I'm going to get another bottle of the red, and then we're just going to play around it from there. But we're going to do the honey brown first. I want to see what that's hitting for, and then we'll add the red, and then we're just going to have a little bit of fun. So yeah, we're going to go at it again. We're going to go at it again and give the color another run. Not because I'm dissatisfied, but I'm just getting antsy, y'all. I don't know what it is. I think maybe because it's been raining so much, over here, and it's been dark and dismal and all that stuff, and just bringing everything down. And so I haven't been as active as far as my walking, and just, sometimes it can affect your creativity, your mood, and sometimes you just get bored, But something I need to change. I need to change, and I need to do something, and my creative spirit is pushing me to do something not too drastic, but just something enough to get some type of feedback, some type of stimulation from, to express myself. So for right now, it's going to be through my hair. It can get a little tricky, when you make some changes and then you want to do some more, it's almost like a chain reaction. But I don't know if you noticed, but I cut my bangs just a little bit shorter because they were getting in my eye, and it was really getting annoying. They were getting a little shaggy. So I did that, and I didn't cut them too much because, they were to the top of my lip. But they're right about to the nub on my nose. The round part of my nose. I think I'm gonna keep it at that particular length. Don't hold me to it because, we've been doing a lot of changes around here. And you know how I just, sometimes I just change my mind. But for right now, I think that's where I'm gonna keep the length of the bangs. And, I'm just gonna try and keep everything looking halfway decent as far as that's concerned. I just needed a change. I just needed another change. I don't know, y'all. Get it together, Dolce. There's no crying in hairstyling. I just think I'm bored. How else to explain it? I just want to do something different. That's it. I just wanted to do something different, and yeah. I just wanted to put the notice out there. I wanted y'all to get the memo that we are going to do just a little bit more as far as the color. We're going to see what's popping. The weather is going to change pretty soon. It's going to get a little warmer. Spring is about to spring. That's why I wanted to come in here and give everybody the deets on what's going on in the hair streets as far as me and my hair is concerned. So y'all just get ready for that. So anyway, that's it. I told y'all this was going to be a quickie, and that's exactly what it is. It's just a memo. It's just a, hey, y'all, get ready. Whether it was born out of boredom or a bout of ennui, we are going to do some changes, and that's just how it's going to be. So, with that being said, I done said everything that I needed to say. And so we're going to get up out of here. What do you think? I think we should, honey. So that's what we're about to do. So, with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, I need y'all to come on back in here because we got to do some coloring and some more stuff. So you got to come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on